William had been training for months to run his first marathon. Halfway through the race, his legs throbbed and his lungs felt heavy. With every step, doubt crept in. He watched other runners pass him effortlessly, and frustration gnawed at him. "Maybe I'm not cut out for this," he muttered, slowing to a walk. Just as he was about to give up, an older woman running at a steady pace caught up to him. She glanced over and smiled warmly. "You don't have to be the fastest," she said. "You just need to keep moving forward." William took a deep breath and matched her pace, one step at a time. They ran in silence for a while, and he realized that the race wasn't against anyone else. It was against the part of him that wanted to stop. The miles felt longer, but William kept going, focusing only on the next step ahead. With sweat pouring down his face, he finally crossed the finish line, not in first place, but with a heart full of pride and no regrets. Moral of the story: true success isn't about finishing first. It's about showing up, staying the course and moving forward, even when the journey feels impossible.
Like, comment, and share this video. Your support means the world to us. So please don't forget to subscribe to the channel and also press the bell icon. Thank you.